teams, and these are the members: Rica Dizon, Jendel Rose Liwakat, Sammy P. Dihilio, Justin Alampayan, Jessica A. Escobella. Rationale: the planet of the solar system turned in distance from the sun, the abode of man considered as distinct from heaven and hell. It is a place that the human being and animals enjoy the gift of life. We should nurture and take care of this planet for us to have a blissful experience of living.
I am the representative of opposition team, and these are the members: Ivy B. Liwakat, Herman Ramses Anopol, Priscilla Moore Refuelo, Christine May Ramon, Jean L. Visitino. Rationale: we just want to clarify some aspects about Earth. Also, we want some information if really our planet is one of a kind, or is it a place worth living for?
Rebuttal: Earth, our home planet, is the only planet in our solar system known to harbor life, life that is incredibly diverse.
It's terrific. What other visiting that describe our planet?
It is made up of complex, interactive systems that create a constantly changing world that we are striving to understand.
All of you insist that this planet is different among other planets in the solar system. Then, can you name some elements that present in the planet Earth?
The planet is composed of rock and metal, which are present in molten form beneath its surface.
Now, why is it that the Earth resembles a big blue marble?
About 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, which is essential to life. The rest is land, mostly in the form of continents that rise above the oceans.
With that information, is there any explanation about the gaseous part of the Earth?
Atmosphere is a layer of gases that surround Earth's surface. It also helps block radiation from the sun that would be harmful to life. As we all know, Earth has a unique set of characteristics, ideally suited to support life. However, we should be open to any possibilities that other planets can sustain human beings.
Scientists do not rule out the possibility that life once have existed on our planets or their moons, or may exist today in primitive forms, Mars for example.
That's why Earth is like a Mars could possibly hold a life of human being and other creatures.